The art of attracting and getting whatever that you want work this way. You need to first equip yourself with some wisdom about what you want. Somebody who doesn't have any wisdom about what he wants in life can be in trouble, because you won't know how to get it. First of all, you won't know how to attract it and have it and keep it and even multiply it. Let's say you want more money. The first thing that has to come into your mind when you want more money, you need to first ask yourself, what does a person who have more money looks like? What does he read every day? What does he do every day? What are his habits that he do looks like each and every day? So you need to first equip yourself and have that personality and build yourself according to what you want and have the wisdom about what you want at the same time. You need to learn about it and equip yourself as much as possible. And also what you think about all the time, you get to attract it and have it. That's why we have to always, we have to not always distract ourselves and always be on our thoughts most of the time, because what you always think about, you get to have it, you get to attract it, at the same time you get to have it. So be careful of the distraction and not always distract yourself, and keep your mind constantly learning about what you want is very important, because having some wisdom about what you want will help you attract it and keep it for a long period of time. So you need to learn about it. Same applies to everything in life. You need to ask yourself certain questions about what you want and do your research about what you want and equip yourself about what you want. So you need to first change your personality according to what you want, and actually do the things that will get you what you want. You need to learn about it, equip yourself, have some wisdom about what you want. Without the wisdom, you can't get what you can't keep it, you can't maintain it, you can't sustain it. So that's why you need wisdom. Build yourself towards what you want. And that's why it's very important to learn about it and know how to maintain it, know how to keep it, not just attract it, but know also how to maintain it and keep it and even multiply it. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, it's been your boy SKB. If you liked this video, make sure you do like and subscribe. Without further ado, out.